NBL レスリーノックダウン制です。交えた2人が今宵世界タイトルマッチで再び相まみえが交えた2人が
Sa ika-apat na pagkakataon ay muling mapapalaban si former 4 Division World Champion NONITO the Filipino Flash, Donaire sa isang di-kalibring Japanese boxer. Ito ay si Seiya Tsutsumi, ang kasalukuyang may hawak ng WBO Bantamweight title. May undefeated record ito na 12 panalo, walang talo at 8 dito tinapos niya via knockout. Habang 43 panalo, 8 talo at 28 tinapos, via knockout naman si Donaire. Ilang oras na lang ay mangyayari na ang bakbakan na gagawin sa balwarte ng kalaban sa bansang Japan. Weigh-in pa lang ay tila sinusukat na ni Tsutsumi itong pambato nating si Donaire. Tila iniisip na di na aabot pa sa kamay ng mga hurado ang laban, lalapain na agad sa harap ng kanyang mga kababayan. Pero alam din natin na di din basta-basta magpapatalo itong si The Filipino Flash. Walang inuurong ang laban gamit ang lakas at bilis sa bakbakan. Kaya paniguradong isang maaksyon at madugong laban talaga ang masasaksihan. Pero bago mag-umpisa ang bakbakan ng dalawa, ay balikan muna natin ang pinakaunang Japanese boxer na tinudas ni Donaire. Ito ay ang maangas na si NISHIOKA na isa ding WBC Bantamweight champion noon.
NONITO DONAIRE!
Protect yourselves at all times. Keep punches up. Remember, punches here are fine. Okay? Shake hands. Good luck to both of you.
Round number 1 begins. Each boxer with 6 first-round knocks. Donaire, nice and quick.
See a shot to throw through.
Goes Alvarado. The fan Donaire has not.
Nishioka believes Donaire's left hook is what he has to watch for.
Body some. Since Nishioka has that left, make him reach for the right hand, then hit him with an overhand.
Now, the Donaire's 39.
He's just trying to get comfortable and get close to Donaire and see what he sees before he opens the left hand.
Look, Nishioka's used to winning. Been 8 years since he lost. But he is 36 years old. He contemplated retirement before this fight.
Yeah, but he's waiting to get a good shot in before he throws anything. He's kind of smart like that.
High volume punching tend to be as the fight heats up, and
Donaire's got all the weapons and all the tools and all the speed, but he's fit and make him make a mistake where I can counter it. According to CompuBox, Donaire steps in with that right hand. Another right hand.
There's a shot.
when Donaire steps to his right and achieves that outside position with his foot,
He's fighting very smart. He's not trying to get caught with a shot. He's trying to wait for a great opportunity to
right cross. We come to the final seconds of round number.
Okay, but I'm at a 3-0, 30-27, NONITO DONAIRE. I mean, as I see this fight, he's doing, the way he holds that right hand. It's very strange. He doesn't seem to snap it.
Roy, from your time in the ring, when you were in a guy that was looking to survive, and you hear the Donaire opens up with a combination there. Nishioka back to that defensive shell. There's the hand speed of Donaire. Donaire steps in with a combination.
punches are starting to show an effect on
Coming underneath that right eye. So we begin round number 5 of the schedule, 12-rounder. NONITO DONAIRE.
last couple fights. It looked like he tried to force things a little more, and so he didn't have
there. And the only thing you gotta remember is that Nishioka, and that's what you want to do in case something does happen.
Triples up the jab, shoots right to the body, steps in with a power shot that just missed.
So far, he's totally outclassing.
Unless it's a pop shot like that right hand was.
.22-pounder throwing 21 in a round. Not gonna get it done.
It's called survival. Is that by the left hook? Not by the left hook no time soon. See that left uppercut right there? That's the shot because he's holding that right hand.
Donaire backs away from that left hand.
Good left uppercut.
targets, you know, counter-punching opportunities.
Straight right hand by Donaire. Nishioka landed. Well, he certainly had ample time to warm up. We're in round 6.
It's cold outside.
Nishioka down. Short shot inside. 8, walks in.
There it is again.
Trying to finish him. Left hand from Nishioka. Combination from Nishioka. Donaire hooks inside. Again from Donaire. Right hand over the top. Straight right hand. Nishioka says, bring it on. Left hand from Donaire.
Hard anyway, might as well make a fight of it.
That's exactly right. And he really threw some pretty good punches at Donaire. Why don't...
So after right hand from Donaire, Nishioka steps in with the left. Donaire counters.
Good body shot.
Yeah, after he doubled up with the jab, did Donaire. Jab from Nishioka.
8 years.
Quick hands and some pop.
Top of the barrel.
As we begin round number 8, scheduled for 12. Nishioka has not lost in 8.5 years. 39-4-3 with pound for pound one of the best in the world.
He also sugar Ray Leonard a bit in the sense that Ray would mix it up and so you could hit him even at his best. And
Being hit more when they open up the punch. I was less likely to be hit because I had the speed of a cat, but I used my legs
that way.
most definitely and because of the head speed.
Counter right hand from Donaire after Nishioka lands a...
Good left hand by Nishioka.
Yeah, and he steps in with a little combination to the chin of Donaire. As defensive as he was through the first 5, he has opened up a little more offensively.
Well, he hasn't lost in 8 years.
They go opening up power shot.
Nishioka is throwing home run bombs, and he's willing to take them to try to land his own. It's not a bad idea.
Not bad at all. Donaire has to be careful walking in.
Fight, and his 9 connects his high water mark. And Donaire,
60 and being pushed down, spun down.
I think their knees may have banged.
early in the fight, Donaire has 3 knockouts in his career after the 8th round. Donaire. Left hand to the body by Donaire scores. That one was blocked. Nishioka steps in with a combination.
And this is what Nishioka starts to do around the
Oh, down goes Nishioka from a counter shot. Coming into this fight, he's been down 3 times in his career, down twice, and now the referee steps in and...
Still, the WBO